Hello and welcome to today's coaching session. My name is Zarif Hardy and I'm the Director of the Australian School of Etiquette. I'm going to touch on posture today because posture is power. When we stand tall or we sit tall, we immediately change the way that we think and feel in our brain. So not only do we feel better, we end up looking better. Now, when we talk about posture, it's not just about thinking, oh, I've got to stand tall all the time. It's about aligning our body. So some of the things I like you to think about when we talk about posture is, first of all, think about a string that's been attached to the top of your head and it's constantly pulling you up. If I was to stand in front of you right now to have a conversation and I was standing like this, I'm a very different woman to the one that stands like this. So again, think of the string. It's pulling you up, it's on the top of your head. Make sure that your chin is level to the ground, your eyes are forward. If my chin is ducked down, I look a little insecure, maybe a little worried, maybe a little not sure of what's going on. If my chin is too high, I may look a little bit arrogant. So the chin must be level to the ground. Shoulders back, and a good way to think about or how to practice getting those shoulders back is to lift them up, push them back and drop them. Our chest should slightly be out. With the high use of screens these days, we're all developing very hunched posture. That changes the neurotransmitters in our brain to be more negative, maybe a little bit slower, a little bit tired. So keep those shoulders back. Our hands should be behind the side seam lines of either our pant or our skirt or whatever it is that we're wearing. So wrists back. Weight should be evenly balanced on each foot and your feet should be placed together. And keep your wrists behind the side seam lines and stand up as tall as you can. Engage the core section here and hold that posture. Create the muscle memory in your body so you do it with ease, without any pain. Also be aware of your seated posture. When we're sitting at desks for a day, the body tends to fall more and more forward, particularly when we're working on a screen. So be aware there. Put something on your desk, whether it's a post-it note, a paper clip, a photograph. Every time you look at that, you pull up the string on your head and engage the core strength. Maintain good posture. Build good muscle memory. If you walk into a room slouched and looking down, you have a very different impression of everyone, of yourself and what everyone around you thinks. So always be aware of your posture, work on it, create great muscle memory. Stand tall, stand out in everything that you do.